Here's the 60-second script. Did you know that compound interest, viral growth, and even radiation decay all run on the same math? Exponents. And getting them wrong can cost you thousands of dollars or completely derail your calculations. That's where the Exponent Interactive Calculator comes in. Just enter your base number, plug in your exponent, and instantly get your result. No formula memorization, no calculator app hunting, no mistakes. Here's a real example. Say you're investing $5,000 with a growth factor of 1.7 over 10 years. Enter 1.07 as your base, 10 as your exponent, and boom, 1.967. Multiply that by your $5,000 and you've got nearly 9,036. That's the power of knowing your exponents. Whether you're a student, investor, or just someone who wants fast, accurate math, this tool is completely free. Try the Exponent Interactive Calculator today. The link is right below.